If you ever see anything that has fallen onto a child of God, never you try to rush to seek for the mistake. Or you'll be like the other ones who came to Job. Let that brother or sister check his own heart. But it's not your duty to scrutinize the back part of the brother. And you try to look for his mistakes. You be like Balaam. That's not your business.
Shut up your mouth. Leave it between God and his son or his daughter. Pray for them. Because the greatest possibility is he is being tried. Because he's a child of God. He's being tried. Because God has a great purpose in his life.
Amen.
There are some people who are very ignorant. You see, he did this and God has that is God is weak. How do you know? So
never you see any child or servant of God, even if he does not agree with us. Maybe dies or something befalls on you. And you start also
how do you
God has whipped the goat. Who told you that the evil people are the ones that God whips and they die? But why has the devil died?